All right, friends. So take a very comfortable posture just for 2 minutes. Let us all relax ourselves. Forget about everything else. Just be here in this moment. Completely relaxed. Just be with your breath, your normal, natural breath. Last 1 minute. 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now slowly place your both hands over your eyes. Whenever you're ready, you may remove your hands and open your eyes. All right. Welcome back, friends. I hope you all have enjoyed this short 2 minutes meditation. These are very important for each one of us to relax. At any time in the day, we can just relax ourselves with these short meditations. And as requested by one of our friends here a long back, I think few 1 week back, I think she asked about speaking on chakras, speaking on the energy centers. So I'm going to ask you a question here. How many of you all know about the word chakra or the energy centers? Okay. So if you don't know, you don't have to raise your hand, but if you know, you can just put it out here. Okay. Manisha ji, you know about chakras. Okay. So I will just give you a basic information about chakras. I don't want to get into the details because as many of you all are not aware of this, so I want to make it very simple. But maybe in the coming sessions, maybe in the next course, maybe you will get more detail about it. So what are chakras and how to work on these chakras, like all these things. So I hope I'm audible, right? Okay. Is it now? Is it okay? Okay, my voice is low. Okay, just give me a minute. I think now you can hear me, right? Okay, perfect. Yes, I'm still learning technology. All right. So, friends, I was just asking who all know about the energy centers or the chakras. Have you heard about anywhere about this word chakras? So, if you have heard it, you can just raise your hand. If not, it's fine. I'll just give you a basic of what chakras are. Okay, so Afiaji, you know about chakras. Okay, that's great. So, would you like to share a little bit of what you know about chakras, Afiaji? Maybe?
Yes,
Please go ahead. Yes.
yes, of course, I have read it on net just as I searched your channel and joined your group. In the same way, I heard about blocked chakras. Blocked.
Block
How
the
they are
chakras.
blocked. Blocked, yes.
Okay. Okay.
And I know that there are 7 in number, like
Mm-hmm.
root, we have root chakra, and then with sacral, and there are others, of course, and they are blocked. They are energy centers and they are blocked, and then there are certain techniques and there are ways to open them. And mostly it's all about, of course, forgiving others, saying sorry. It was the same thing like that.
Wow.
It was
That's
that they are there, they are energy centers and they are blocked, and there are ways to open them. So that's what I know about.
okay. So that's good. That's good start. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry again. So, all right, friends, then I'll just give you a basic about what chakras are. Like, chakras are nothing but energy centers. For example, like if you go in a city, if you are in a city, suppose that city is your body. Like that city is a body, for example, and in that city there are some like junctures, or like wherein there are circles, right? Wherein there you all the streets merge to one place, and there you can go in different paths from there, isn't it? जैसे कि हमारे शहर में एक सर्किल होता है. हाँ, मुझे वो सर्किल पे जाना है, लाइक वो सर्किल पे मेरा दोस्त मेरा वेट कर रहा है. Like we have this word circle, right? In the streets, when we speak about in terms of streets, in the junctures, or like about that. The same thing in our body, we have 7 major chakras. There are many hundreds of chakras otherwise, but 7 major chakras we have that are energy centers. Like this, those are chakra is nothing but a wheel, like a circle. It's a wheel. So what happens is, like, the energy which is entering into our body, it's going through all our chakras in our body. There are 7 chakras. The first is the root chakra, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, um, uh, Anahata, Vishuddha, and Sahasrara. These are the 7 chakras. And mainly, when you speak about the science of it, chakras are not something that which you can see with the physical eyes. You cannot see those chakras with the physical eyes. They are like we have 7 bodies. The same way, the second body is the energetic body or the etheric body. In that body, you will able to see the chakras. You will able to see the blockages. For example, when you speak about the root chakra, I'm just giving a very basic because I don't want to get into details because it's too much for the first beginner course, but I'm just giving you a glimpse of what chakras are. So for example, like when you speak about the root chakra, which is below the spine, which is at the end of the spine, that is where energetically it is located. So they say that the root chakra is related to the survival issues. For example, if you have survival issues like like मेरे पास money नहीं है, क्या होगा कल, like you have all these kind of fears, blocking fears about what happens in the future. मेरा क्या होगा in the future. That is where your chakra is blocked. It's not the block. You cannot release those blocks just like that. Many people, they meditate and they open their chakras. It doesn't happen like that. We cannot focus to one particular chakra. So, like it is about understanding how this chakra works. For example, if I speak about, okay, in this area, like many people have survival issues. That is where our block is. When you understand that there is a block, you will know where to work. Okay, now I should not have any fear. Why should I have fear? I'll live moment by moment. So when you work on that, slowly the chakra gets opened. So in the same manner, like when you speak about the heart chakra, for example, like open your heart, people say open your heart, open your heart. What does it mean, open your heart? I mean, opening your heart means the blockages that we've been carrying, like the hurt feelings, the emotions, the suppressed emotions that we are carrying in that region, that is making us blocked. That is making us not to express ourselves, not to feel that love in that heart. So that's why many people, they say open your heart. What does it mean? It means that you have to feel the unconditional love in your heart. So that is about Anahata chakra. And Vishuddha chakra, it stays in the throat. Energy center, energy places, energetically it stays in the throat. Like throat is a region where what does throat signifies? Throat signifies communication, isn't it? यहाँ से आवाज आता है. Throat signifies no, not food. Food is like food is different. Food is like mouth, but throat is where you गले से बात करो. Like गला से आवाज निकालो. बोलते हैं when you sing it from like don't sing it from with the nose, sing it with the throat. Like use your throat. So why we say why we emphasize more on throat? It's where a communication stays. कुछ लोग देखते हैं, like for example, my throat chakra was blocked. Why I understood that it is blocked? Because I was having a very bad communication skills. I cannot express. मुझे कुछ भी बोलना तो डर लगता था. Like that is where I'm not speaking. When I don't speak what I want to speak, then I'm blocking that chakra. जैसे कि वो ट्रैफिक जाम होके वो ब्लॉक हो जाता है. जैसे कि वो सर्किल में अगर ज्यादा ट्रैफिक हो जाता है, जैसे कि ब्लॉक हो जाता है, वैसा होता है. So we have to speak our truth. That is where the throat chakra is, or the communication chakra is. And the visionary eye, Agna chakra bolte hain, or the third eye chakra. Many people have known, because when you speak about meditation, this word many people hear, third eye chakra. Third eye. What is third eye? Now, as I told you in the initial days, third eye is nothing but when you close your physical eyes, when you close your mind's eye, then the third eye gets activated. It stays here. That's why many of you all have experienced the pressure in this region, right? You don't know what it is, but something is happening there. So that means this energy which is entering into our body is working in that region to open that chakra. So that means you will see visions. Visions not only in meditation. Vision means having a clarity in life. Vision is I have a deeper vision. I have a vision that I'll be teaching meditation for thousands of people. That's a vision. That's a clarity that you have. The deeper understanding towards life. That is Agna chakra. It stays here. And Sahasrara is in the crown. It's called crown chakra. Crown is the king. The king is the one who wears the crown. So the chakra is more of a knowledge. Like you have to gain knowledge from everywhere, from every source. That's why when you meditate, you attain knowledge from yourself. You understand your self-knowledge. And when you hear other people's experience, you also get knowledge. You also understand their experience and you gain information from there. And when you read books, you also get information. It's about the intellectual health. Like yesterday we spoke about the health. So Sahasrara is linked to the intellectual health. Intellectually we become healthy and spiritually we become healthy. So and the abdominal chakra, there is one Manipuraka chakra there is, like हम देखते हैं ना बच्चों को like जब छोटे होते हैं उनको जाके पेट के ऊपर गुदगुदी करते हैं, like we all do it, right? Like उनको बहुत गुदगुदी होता है वहाँ पे. So that chakra is very important. That chakra is a basis for the lower two chakras and the above four chakras. So that chakra is about, it works on insecurities. Insecurities means like you want to always be comfortable. You don't want to come out of your comfort zones. That is where this you have to work with that chakra. You have to be comfortable in every situation. When you come out of it, that means you understand that it takes time. It takes to work on all these things. It takes years and years and lifetimes of practice to make our chakras aligned. It's not that okay, आज मेरा सब chakras aligned हो गए हैं, कल कल नहीं होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Like it's a लाइफ में कोई भी सिचुएशन आता है, अगर इफ आई एम गेटिंग हर्ट, दैट मीन्स माई हार्ट चक्र इज क्लोज्ड. यस्टरडे ओपन था, बट आज अगर कोई आके मुझे ये बोल देंगे कि यू आर दिस, कोई मुझे हर्ट करेंगे, वो हर्ट फीलिंग्स मेरा हार्ट के अंदर रखा मैंने, तो दैट मीन्स इट्स क्लोज्ड. सो आई एम नॉट ओपनिंग अप. एंड इफ आई एम नॉट शेयरिंग माई ट्रूथ, मेरा सच मैं लोगों को नहीं बता रही हूँ, दैट मीन्स आई एम लॉकिंग दैट चक्रा. आई एम नॉट, कल मैं बोली थी बट आज नहीं बोला. So it's everyday work. It's not just one day ki, like all the chakras are aligned. It's like meditation state mein and, day-to-day life state mein, like we have to be completely aware. Meditation brings that awareness so that you can deal with all these issues that we've been experiencing from past years. So this is a little glimpse about these chakras. I don't want to get into detail because if you want to really read about what chakras are, the science behind the chakras, about the energy centers, there is this beautiful book. It's called Eastern Body, Western Mind. So if anybody is interested, I'll post it in the group, in the WhatsApp group. So this is like all the information you have about these energy centers. It's like blockages kahan pe hai, like where hum relationship issues hai, to like kaun si chakra hai, where I have to work, how to deal with it. All these things are in here. Like if we understand chakras, it's about huge science. But we don't want to get into too much of, like कैसे open करना है, like वो ताला को कैसे open करना है, ऐसा जरूरत नहीं है. It's not required. The only requirement is we have to practice meditation. The more we practice meditation, the more everything in our life gets aligned. If we don't practice meditation, nothing in our life gets aligned. Yes, we are living. We are just living. But when we practice meditation, we live life to the fullest. So living life to the fullest is like enjoying life every moment, like not getting blocked by anything. कुछ भी कोई भी नहीं रोक सकते हमको. So this is what this little information about chakras. Maybe in the next course, maybe we will ask like Manoj to put a special topic about the chakras and how to work on them, because as I told you, it's a huge science. It's not can't be shared in 15-20 minutes. I know many of you all are new for this concept of chakras, so I just gave a glimpse of it. But in the coming days or maybe the next course, we will work more about it. Because ek din, like a few hours required to speak about one chakra. Because it's an exercise that we have to do all together. So maybe in the coming course, we will just work in that way. Okay. So is it related to meditation? Yes. You mean chakras? I think, let me go through the comments first. Wow, there are okay, just a minute, let me. Yes, is this related to meditation? Yes, Lubnaji, this is related to meditation only. Like everything is related to meditation actually. It's a spiritual science. We are not speaking something, very mysterious. It's a science, because there are so many people in the Western world had made a huge research on this. For example, this book, in India, in eastern parts of the world, we speak a lot about chakras. But these people in the West, they had gone to the depth of it. Yes, maybe in the Eastern we know more about it, but these people have proved scientifically how does it work. And they have done so many experiments. Like for example, to this lady, there have so many patients came to her, like expressing their issues. And that is where she understood, okay, to to put it in such a manner that, okay, if this category people are coming, that means this chakra is blocked for them. Okay, what is a solution? Where is a, where is a solution? How we have to work towards it? So she did lots of research to it, and she did it, put it in here. So everything is related to meditation, and everything is spiritual science. Yeah. So wonderful. And we will take the questions later. And now I request you all to sit comfortably. Today I'm going to play the singing bowls. And I will also tell, since we spoke about chakras today, I will also, because जब हम कोई गाना सुनते हैं, जब हम कोई म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, हमको कुछ कुछ अलग फीलिंग होता है. कभी कभी पेट में कुछ अलग फीलिंग होता है, कभी कभी हार्ट में कुछ फीलिंग होता है. Like these kind of frequencies, this is all frequencies. So today I'm going to play these instruments which is worked with the vibration and the frequency. So for example, this instrument is for the heart chakra, with the vibration of this, because there is again a science which is related to it, and there are so many experiments done with the singing bowls, with the tuning with the frequencies and all. So this particular instrument is tuned for the heart chakra. For example, if I play this, there is a vibration that comes out of it, and when you hear that vibration, when you feel that vibration, there is some kind of a poking sensations, or like emotional sensations that you will experience. This is about this chakra. And the other one, this one is to ground us. We are always hyper, right? Like we are always active. So this vibration will help us to become like an earth. What does earth do? Earth is always grounded, always balanced. So this instrument, the vibration of this instrument will make us stay in the balanced state. Yeah. And this last one is, this is made out of crystal, like it's a tanzanite crystal. So again, that's again a different subject. Crystals are different subject. Maybe we will speak about it later. So this instrument is made for the crown chakra. So for example, if I play this, you feel that there is some heaviness in this region. There is some, like a heaviness, or you experience a little pain, but don't worry, it's not a pain. It's like the energy is working there in that region. So just whatever happens, just enjoy it, and please do not open your eyes. This is the only request, because this is going to be a really intense session, because live music meditations are always intense. And just enjoy the vibrations, whatever is happening. Don't control yourself, don't suppress yourself, don't resist yourself. Whatever is you are experiencing, just put it out. If you feel like crying, cry. If you feel like smiling, just smile. If you feel like there is sensations in your body, just move with that. So don't resist anything, whatever is happening in the meditation. Okay. So now let us all go into meditation, friends. Take a very comfortable posture. By crossing your hands, fingers into fingers, putting it on your lap. Cross your legs. Close your eyes. Just become aware of your breath. Aware of your natural, normal breath. The meditation that we are going to experience right now. Allow yourself to completely relax and to heal naturally. If there is anything that is bothering you, if there is anything that is blocking you, let the vibration of these instruments help you to heal. All you have to do is just be with your breath, friends. Be with your natural, normal breath. Just the breath. Enjoy the vibrations that is coming from these instruments. Do not analyze it. Just be here, emptying yourself. Just the breath, the normal, natural breath. No thoughts whatsoever. Just the breath. Your breath is your master. Your breath is your guide. Just be with your breath. This is your time. Your time to relax and enjoy with yourself. Just the breath. Let us all be in silence for 2 minutes, friends. Last 1 minute. Last 30 seconds. Bring back yourself to this physical body, into the surroundings. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now slowly place your both hands over your eyes for a few seconds. And whenever you're ready, you may remove your hands and open your eyes. Take some water, friends. Drink some water. So welcome back. I hope you all had a journey. So if at all there is anybody who wants to share anything or ask anything, you can just raise your hand. Take some time to settle in. There's no rush. Give some time. Yes, Srinaji.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Actually, I want to ask, is music important for meditation or just is for relaxation?
Music is not important, but meditating with the music helps us to reduce the thoughts. So that's why music works like a catalyst. But if you don't like listening to the music, you can just be in silent and meditate.
No, no, I actually like the music during meditation. That's why I'm asking that this is important or not.
Okay. So, yes, it's like they say that if you meditate with the music, because we don't, instead of having thoughts, we will be with the music. So that means the meditation will be 3 times more powerful when you have music and meditate. But for the people who've been practicing for many days, for them, music doesn't matter. If they have music, they enjoy music. If there is no music, also they just enjoy that silence. So very good question, Rimaji.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, friends. Anybody else? Okay. So yes, Rahatji, me and my husband, we have recorded a music. I will send you the YouTube link in the group so that you can just go through it and you can meditate. It's about 35 minutes of meditation music that we have created. There is an album over there. So my husband also, we play together and we make everybody sit in meditation. So yes, I'll send you the link in the group. Yes, Janatanji.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Ma'am, I enjoyed, but it's working somehow. I feel headache today,
Yes.
and in that moment, I feel hectic in my heart.
Mhm.
I don't know, we are beating very fast. I'm feeling headache.
Yes.
It's somehow I feel like it goes inner of your brain, very inner portion.
Mm.
Is this okay or not? I don't know, ma'am. But you told that
This is what
maybe it
yes, this is what I've
enjoying, ma'am. Enjoyed it.
this is what I have shared it before, Janatanji, that we will be experiencing this heaviness in the head, a very severe heaviness in the head. It's not headache, but it's blocking the mind. It's completely when you hear this vibration, so there is no thoughts. If you have noticed, you will be not having any thoughts. It's like it's going from one ear to the other ear, and it's and the other thing where you have mentioned heaviness in the heart, these it's like the blockages or the past memories that you are not able to overcome. So these things, with the help of this frequency or the vibration, it makes you to witness all those things and make it release. So that's why you feel that heaviness in the heart. That means, see how much weight we have been carrying in the heart. So we have to realize that it is not required to remember or hurt ourselves with all those past memories. Past is gone. So I have present now. I will work in the present. So slowly you make peace with the past. Yeah. So very good experience. Very good experience, Jonathan Ji. Both the experiences are very good.
I also feel, I don't know, ma'am. I feel pain in my eye also. It just
yes.
Sometimes it feels like when I close my eyes, I can hear that music and I feel good. But when I open and see this light, but I think sometimes I should close like this. I feel better by this portion.
Yes, that is why I told you initially it is going to be little intense. It's not like we hear from the YouTube. Live music is always makes a huge difference. And yes, close your eyes as long as you feel like. Only when you are ready, just open your eyes. There is no must that you have to open your eyes. Just be in that state. Just be in that state as long as you wish. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Janata. Yes, Lubna ji.
मैंने तो बहुत कुछ फील किया, मतलब कि थ्रोट में बिल्कुल ड्राइनेस और इतनी हेवीनेस, ये साइड बिल्कुल मेरी, और स्पाइनल कार्ड पे बिल्कुल हेवीनेस, शोल्डर और नोजिया जैसा फील हो रहा है। इतनी अजीब सी हालत है कि आप डिस्कनेक्ट, मेरा इंटरनेट हो गया, मुझे नहीं पता चला कि आप डिस्कनेक्ट, फिर अगेन मैंने कनेक्ट किया है मैंने डेटा मोबाइल से ना, पता है इतनी इतनी अजीब सी हालत हो गई है कि बस मैं लेट जाऊं बस,
जी.
अजीब हालत है। तो इतना रिएक्शन, मतलब अजीब किस्म के रिएक्शन हुआ है मुझे तो।
Yes, see, this is all the blockages. This is all the pain body. Like pain body. What we have experienced today. Like it's not. This is why the energy works in that mysterious ways. Like that throat chakra is getting, or the throat is dried, or whatever your experiences are. It's like you're able to see that yes, there is some block over there. अदरवाइज इन जनरल हम दिन भर कुछ ना कुछ काम करते हैं, ये तो रहेगा, बट वी डोंट सी इट. Only when these things, when we meditate or when we sit in silence, when we hear to these kind of music, we will witness, okay, maybe this is where I'm experiencing pain. This is where I'm not feeling comfortable with myself. I have to work a lot with myself. Yes. Yeah. So drink some water. Drink some water.
After, okay, I am again and again I'm taking the water. लेकिन क्या इससे करने से हालत बेहतर होगी, या ऐसे ही मतलब आप जैसे करते हैं हमारे साथ, यू आर द मास्टर, आर यू फीलिंग लाइक दिस सच टाइप ऑफ द फीलिंग्स?
Initially, like yeah, if at all, see, anything new, it creates, like it's a new experience for us. Anything new that comes to us, it is an experience for us. So like that is why I told before in the meditation also, do not analyze. जो कुछ भी हो रहा है आपके साथ, analyze मत करिए. Yes, initially also when I heard this singing bowl music few many years back, a few friends have played this, and it was very intense for me. My heart was like, it's like a running race, like it was running very fast like a horse. It was as fast as that horse is running. So I was experiencing all these things, and again the heaviness in the head was like like मेरे को चक्कर आ रहा था initially. But then when I realized that these are the energies that is working, how this music and how the frequency works with our body, today we have experienced it. So that is why when we experienced it for the first time, we feel it is a bit strange, something, it's what is happening. It's sometimes it is pleasant, sometimes it is unpleasant. But even if it is unpleasant also, that means there is some work is happening there. You have to just accept it.
मैम जब सुन रहे थे ना, हम कर रहे थे, मेडिटेशन में थे, आंखें बंद थी, तब कुछ भी फील नहीं हो रहा था ना। जैसे मैंने ना आखिर में आपने 1 मिनट का, तो थ्रोट तो मेरा ड्राई हो रहा था, लेकिन मुझे ये है कि आप इसका कहना का ये मतलब है कि आपके अंदर जो स्ट्रेस है या आप जो सोचे रखती हैं, उसको वो डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहा था, ये म्यूजिक हमें डिस्ट्रॉय, उसको खत्म कर रहा था, फिनिश कर रहा था,
उसको क्लियर कर रहा था,
क्लियर कर रहा था, क्लीन।
इसको बोलते हैं साउंड बात बोलते हैं इसको। जैसे कि साउंड से नहाना, लाइक जैसे कि हम लाइक विद वाइब्रेशन, जैसे हम नहाते हैं, नहाने तब जाते हैं, सो ऑल द डर्ट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी इज गेटिंग क्लेंस्ड, राइट, वो पूरा क्लीन होता है हमारा बॉडी। द सेम थिंग व्हेन वी हियर अ म्यूजिक, व्हेन वी हियर एनी काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, it can be रॉक म्यूजिक। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रमेश उस दिन आके, मेरे हस्बैंड आके वाटर के बारे में बोल रहे थे कि हाउ दिस, because we are 70 to 75% water, so we attract this. Maybe I will show a video maybe tomorrow, how the water and the music combine together, how it will create, there is a video. मैंने क्या किया, इसमें पानी भर के, इसमें ये बोल में पानी भर के मैंने प्ले करना शुरू किया, when I started playing, you can not imagine कि इसके अंदर flower का pattern it formed. So the same thing happens. Maybe I will show you in some time, maybe live. I will just show you after I take these questions. I'll bring some water and I'll show you lively, because it is very important to understand कि music हमारे body के साथ क्या कर रहा है. Like it's energetically it is cleansing our system. So, like if you hear the rock music, so the each and every cell in your body is distorted, like it's like you're destroying the cells in your body because it's too loud and it is not good. But if you listen to any old classic music, how you feel? How you feel so good, because the frequencies behind, it's not about the words, it's the music behind that the song is making you feel good. So that's why it is called a sound bath. This, especially the music which is played for the meditation, is called sound bath. It's like energetically hum shower lenge because of the frequency. Yeah. So as you told, yes, it is clearing what is not good for us. Good. Good. Thank you so much, Lubna ji. Yes, Safia ji.
Okay, again it was, I felt dizzy
Mm-hmm.
and neck, it was neck pain. It grew really on both sides. I just couldn't hold my head and I just wanted to lie down, that there should be some headrest where I could put my head, but there wasn't. So I kept doing like this and it was extremely this neck
Yes.
pain. And throat, it was dry. Throat was dry as well. These two things, and dizziness, that's all. These things
Yeah,
are
as I told the same to Lubna ji, it is the same, like it's the cleansing that is happening. Drink some water and then it will be fine. Yeah, and the dizziness is caused because of this instrument, the crystal instrument, because of the vibration of this.
Otherwise, my favorite songs, whenever I hear them, my songs from my memories of my youth and the days before marriage, they usually give me goosebumps. So there was nothing like this in these sounds. They were just giving me pain.
Yes, because you are, as I told you, it is not must that you have to experience the pleasant things. Like it is tapping you to see the unpleasant things in your system. Like why we say that meditation में like हमको बहुत सारे दर्द आते हैं. Why we experience a lot of pains in meditation? It's because naturally we are healing. So the same way the music helps us to recognize, these kind of music helps us to recognize where the stress is accumulated.
Or rather, I would say it was not music. These were sounds. As you said,
Sounds.
sound bath.
Exactly.
This was sound bath we were taking, and they were really painful, not pleasurable.
No, not at all pressure. Like it won't give the first time it does not give pleasure, as I told, it will not. It gives really, like a shaking experience.
Yes.
It's really shaking experience. But then next time when you hear to it, it will be your body is already new.
Tolerable.
So it
It will be
knows.
tolerable.
Yeah. So that's it.
My hands were sweaty.
So this is, as I told you, this is not like
Pain on both sides.
yeah, this is not like the everyday meditation, that we do some
it was
nice
different.
music and we go into that relaxed state. So this is coming out of this comfort and experiencing the the things where we need to work. That's it. The throat, as I told, the experience of the throat chakra, it's about the communication.
Yeah.
We need to speak. We need to expressing in a right manner.
Yes, and in my real life, I am an introvert, and a lot of change has come towards it. I am opening up, and these are exactly my problems. I don't open up at the time when I should, and I keep inside and don't express. not give voice to my feelings, but later on they keep on hammering in my head. It was exactly that
Yes.
coming out.
So this is the hint that, like speaking about the chakras today and speaking, it is a hint that happened to you that yes, this is where you need to work and express.
Yes. Now it's clear that where I need to work.
Yes, that's great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Afia.
Thank you.
Yes, yes, Farina ji.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good, Farina. How are you?
I am also good. जी ये जो था एक्सपीरियंस मेरे लिए ये बोलूंगी बहुत अच्छा रहा एकदम से। स्टार्टिंग में तो जो म्यूजिक था ना वो तो सडन मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ कि पता नहीं बस क्या होने वाला है मुझे ना। तो एकदम से बहुत ज्यादा जैसे वो होता है ना कि डर आ गया मेरे दिल में ना, बहुत ज्यादा अजीब सी फीलिंग्स थी मेरी। और उसके बाद ये जैसे वो ट्रेन वाला जो म्यूजिक था ऐसे विस्टल टाइप था कुछ, उसने मुझे बहुत ज्यादा इरिटेट किया है। तो उसकी वजह से मेरे जब तक वो म्यूजिक था मेरे फुट में इतनी ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा बर्निंग फील हो रही थी, ऐसे कि स्वेटिंग हो रही है, बहुत ज्यादा बर्निंग टाइप की सेंसेशन। और फिर जो है उसके बाद मेरी लेफ्ट आई में सॉरी राइट आईज में ना, तो वहां पे मुझे बिल्कुल सर्कल सा होके वहां पे मुझे बर्निंग फील हुई है। फिर लेकिन उसके बाद जो स्मूथ चला है म्यूजिक था कुछ आई थिंक चेंज हुआ है वो, उसने मुझे बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग्स दी हैं। उसमें मैं बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे जैसे कि हैप्पी हो गई हूँ मैं, और के सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो गया एकदम से मुझे ये फील हुआ। लेकिन फर्स्ट जो ये फीलिंग थी तो उसके बाद मैं बहुत ज्यादा मतलब इसके डीप में जा रही थी। तो मेरे साथ थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मेरा बेटा आ गया, उसने मुझे एकदम से मूव किया। तो उस टाइम मैं बहुत अच्छा फील कर रही थी। तो उसने जैसे ही मुझे किया ना मतलब मैंने आईज ओपन कर लिए, मतलब मैं उससे बात कर रही थी। तो वो हुआ कि मैं डीप स्लीप में से जैसे जागते हैं ना, तो मुझे वो फील हुआ। लेकिन अब मेरे साथ यही है कि मेरी हार्ट बीट ऐसे जैसे फास्ट हुई हुई है, और जैसे हम नींद से जागते हैं कि हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा होता, हार्ट बीट फास्ट हो जा रही है और अजीब सा हो रहा है मुझे ना कि वो इफेक्ट अब बैड फील हो रहा है। दरमियान में अच्छा, स्टार्टिंग में बैड, तो ये सारी फीलिंग थी। लेकिन दरमियान में जो मुझे इतना अच्छा फील हुआ है बहुत ज्यादा कि वो बस मेरे पास वर्डिंग नहीं है कि मैं आपको कैसे बताऊँ, मुझे गुड फील हुआ है वहां पे।
That is good. Very good. Yeah, very good, Farina. Like जैसे कि मैं लुबना जी से बोला है and आफिया जी से बोला है कि this is the experiences where we need to work and yeah, only it makes us recognize, वो दिखाते हैं कि यहाँ पे हमको काम करनी चाहिए करके। तो yes, तो whatever happens in meditation वो अच्छे के लिए होता है, कुछ बुरा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल नहीं होता है। So just trust it. Yeah?
बस वो जो दरमियान वाली फीलिंग्स थी ना, वो तो बस सोच के मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि मैं इमेजिन भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बाय।
Yeah. So all right then friends, मैं पानी लेकर आती हूँ, मैं दिखाती हूँ कि क्या चलता है, like it is very important because it is an experiment. तब जब आप देखेंगे कि पानी डालने से इसमें क्या होगा, then you can able to relate how the music will touch each and every cell in our body, how it will make a beautiful pattern in our cells in our body. Yes, Mona ji.
As some some of our friends have heaviness in their head and they are feeling headache. So I have, as I have headache problem, I want to help them or share them with a little technique that keep these two fingers and use this in this manners. Close your eyes and take the water which जो पानी यहाँ जम गया ना, उसे ऐसे खींचो धीरे धीरे, like very softly. Do it for some time, then take this water like this, यहाँ पे ले आओ और फिर when you are doing here, take these two fingers. Okay, so And you started with this massage, and for the hardness, you do like this. It will give, ये बहुत आराम मिलता है. I have, and there, here is a corner on this side. You can feel it whenever you touch. So you have to do with this finger, not this finger. Softly, softly like this. यहाँ से यहाँ ले आना है. Whenever you do something and you have migraine or sinus problem, जो यहाँ पर पानी जम के हेडेक क्रिएट करता है ना, तो ये पानी यहाँ आ जाता है और यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा रिलीफ होता है. Then you will feel very better, I think. I have done this and I have gone through very, very bad headache. So it might help you. Thank you.
Thank you for this tip, Monaji. Yes, wonderful. So, and one more thing is, friends, yes, many people have asked, I think Farina ji have asked about migraine. My mom was suffering with migraine headache. She was having a very strong migraine, like before practicing meditation. And afterwards, practicing meditation helped her to relieve that pain, like she overcome that pain. And my husband, I was having asthma, asthma, that the breathing issues. So he was having a very severe asthma, and he was very he has problems with the dust allergies and all these things. But then practicing meditation helped. So for all the questions, I think with all the tips Mona ji had shared, and with practice of meditation, helps us to come out of that. So no medicine can help us. I mean, medicine will help us, but not to that extent that to go to the root cause of it. So yes, friends, this is for today, and I'm going to get some water and I'm going to show you for all of you. Just give me a minute. Okay, friends, I just need to set it. I hope you are able to see the water, right? Just watch it closely. अभी ये जो पानी है ये completely charged हो गया है, तो ये पानी को मैं जाके जो पेड प्लांट्स जो हम घर पे प्लांट्स जिसका हेल्थ ठीक नहीं है, मैं ये पानी जाके उसको डाल सकती हूँ, so that it come back to it gain its health back. So yes, see, this is what happens with the music. This is what हमारे body के अंदर, this is what the music will do. Nothing is done here. It's just the touch of music. You know, it creates that pattern inside us. So yes, friends, there is a science, lot of science inside it. It's not like a magic. It's no magic. It's just a pure science. So, all right, friends, then if there is anybody who wants to share, yes, you can share. Otherwise, we will all see each other again tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, for tomorrow, I'm going to share a very interesting topic, which is one of my favorite topics. It's about vegetarianism. I'm going to speak a little bit about vegetarianism because we are all moving forward towards spirituality, knowing ourselves and how this helps. I'm going to give a little explanation towards it in a scientific manner. So hope that helps you all to experiment. Yeah. So great, friends. Then we will all see each other again tomorrow. And till then, enjoy life, celebrate life, and bye-bye. Khudafiz. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.